Veteran Nollywood actor Fatai Udua, popularly known as Lalude, has expressed disappointment and frustration over what he described as neglect by the All Progressive Congress (APC) after campaigning vigorously for both President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu during the last general election. In a candid interview now making rounds on social media, Lalude recounted how he and several colleagues committed nearly 2 months of their time, energy, and reputation to canvass support for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the APC. However, according to him, all promises of being appreciated and rewarded after the party's victory were ultimately broken.
Mo fi go bojú nítorí àwọn wèrè tí wọ́n bà tara wọn jẹ́ tí wọ́n rò pé tàwa làwọn bàjẹ́. Oṣù kan àtọ̀sẹ̀ mẹ́ta la lò níbi campaign. Àwọn abínúkú ẹni 10,000 ló ń fún wa lówó oúnjẹ lójoojúmọ́. Ó yẹ kó jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ for campaign opportunity o. But wọ́n decide pé 10,000 yìí. Àwọn youth tó máa wà ń bẹ̀ wá decide pé ó dáa. Ká máa dá 10,000 yẹn léèké. Everybody máa kó owó yẹn. Nígbà tí wọ́n rí pàtí ńlá owó yẹn, wọ́n kò break owó yẹn. Owó yẹn bá dín lọ́jọ́ méjì mẹ́ta. Ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ àwọn olórí burúkú ibẹ̀ ní ìpàdé òsì tí ò jẹ́ amẹ́ni alága àṣetọ́ sí níbẹ̀ ló ti wáyé. A wá ṣe gbogbo iṣẹ́ yẹn náà tán kọ́bọ̀ àrígbà. Tá a bá ṣépè fún wọn, wọn ò ní bọ́nú ẹ̀ tán máa fi kú. A campaign fún Sanwó-Olú.
Ẹ campaign fún Sanwó-Olú.
A campaign fún Tinubu. Dìsín bí mo ṣe ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ ìkọ́bọ̀ àrígbà.
He specifically called out Lagos State Parks Management Committee Chairman MC Oluomo, whom he claimed rallied entertainers to support the APC and personally made promises to him and fellow actor Alakmini. The actor lamented that their efforts done with sweat and dedication were ultimately disregarded after the party clinched power. He expressed strong emotional pain, even invoking curses on those he claimed blocked their benefits. Those that prevented us from receiving money shall be caught for life, he added. While this has caused the buzz online, share your thoughts with us in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching Naija News TV.